In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page banner fast and easy. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with WordPress, this guide will walk you through the steps to design an eye-catching banner for your online shop page. Let's dive in. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all of your site's tools are found, making it the central hub for customizations. Once you're into your dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you're going to click on the Appearance option. Don't worry if it all looks a bit overwhelming at first. By focusing on one step at a time, everything will fall into place. Next up, click on Customize. This option brings you into a different area of WordPress, specifically meant for making aesthetic changes to your site. The Customize section is very versatile, allowing an array of adjustments to be made in real time, so you can see how various elements will look before making them live on your site. Once you're in the customization menu, you'll see a variety of options, but the one you'll focus on today involves adding content. You'll notice a plus icon, which indicates it's time to add some new elements to your banner. Go ahead and click that plus icon. It might feel a bit like adding pieces to a puzzle, each integral to making your final image complete. Now it's time to think about the visuals you'll want to include in your banner. Use the search bar to look for images. Integrating rich and relevant images can significantly enhance your site's appeal. Once you've entered images, you'll be presented with various options to choose from. After locating a suitable image, click on it and simply drag it onto your homepage. WordPress makes this part incredibly intuitive. You're effectively grabbing your content and placing it just where you want it to go, giving you the freedom to build a page that truly reflects your brand's identity. Finally, let's bring it all together by uploading the banner you've selected. By simply following the previous step and ensuring everything is positioned how you'd like, click on Upload. This is the moment where your work becomes visible for everyone to appreciate. Remember to hit Save once your banner is in place. This is a critical step as it ensures all your hard work is preserved and published. And there you have it. With just a few swift steps, you've crafted a professional and appealing shop page banner. Remember, the key here is creativity combined with functionality. A well-thought-out banner can make a significant difference in the way your online shop is perceived. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.